What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to go over is Amazon FBA really dead, and what my product is doing now and the update on it. So is Amazon FBA dead? No is the short answer, and for the long-term answer, no. And the reason is because in 2018 there are more products coming in, and there's more customers coming in than actual sellers. Now you might be seeing all these gurus out here, you know, they're bringing in all these different sellers and stuff, but it's not enough in order to match the amount of customers and products that are coming in as well. So there's plenty of room for everybody on the Amazon marketplace. Amazon is much bigger than you actually think it is. And honestly, it's probably in its baby stages. In 2018, I'll pull up like a chart or some statistics or whatever. But in 2018, literally, it's going to be an exponential year for Amazon. I forgot what the statistic was, but it's supposed to be like, I forgot. I'll show it up here somewhere. But tons of more people are going to have Prime now. Tons of more people are going to be jumping onto the marketplace, especially, and there's going to be whole new marketplaces across the world, right? I think Japan is going to be opening up one, maybe Australia, or maybe they've already opened up one in Australia, I think. But there's tons of marketplaces. You know, the US marketplace, they have tons of products on there, tons of opportunity. And you know, you see all these other marketplaces on Amazon, like the UK, Canada, Germany, and all these places that are just they haven't recently opened up, but they're not that competitive because there's not that many people on there. There's not that many sellers on there. So that's the thing that you guys have to consider too. You know, when you do start jumping on the Amazon FBA, you start doing well on the US marketplace, you can jump on these other ones and start making a killing. So it's really in its baby stages. It's really, you know, it's really only planted a big seed in the United States. So that's something that you have to consider. And also in 2018, just create a brand, create a personal brand for yourself on YouTube, or create a brand for yourself on Amazon for your products. And I don't know if you guys have seen this, but if you go on certain listings on Amazon, a lot of them will have, you know, one listing variation, and then have another variation, and see that they're making money on both of those. And then eventually, you know, when you have enough products for, you know, your specific brand or company on Amazon, you're going to be able to, you know, branch out on different products in that same niche, and people are going to be like, oh, okay, you know, I bought this product from them before. You know, maybe it's like the anglized ruler, okay, and then maybe you know, a couple months down, you come out with a new product like a I don't know, some type of balancing tool for you know, wood or whatever. So you guys have to consider these things as well, because there's tons of people on Amazon that are selling these products, and they develop a brand on there where, you know, a brand between them and the customer, so that people actually come back and buy products that they newly release. You know, and that's much easier than having to go out there and try and figure out you know, new trending products to jump onto. So that's another thing that you guys have to consider as well. So the next thing, you know, Amazon, like I said, is exploding this year. There's a whole bunch of stuff with that, a whole bunch of people making new accounts and everything. So another thing too is, you know, retailers are going out of business. That's another sign that Amazon is starting to, you know, grow and starting to expand. It's still in its baby stages, but it's happening. You know, you see places like Toys R Us, you see like mattress firms, some of them might be going out of business. People buy their mattresses online now. You see all these different toy stores going out of business and stuff, and like all these, you know, these offline businesses when it comes to retail, you know, and you know, doing all this stuff online now. You look at things like Whole Foods. Whole Foods is in its like beginning stages, right? You know, in maybe a couple years down, or maybe even a decade down, you'll see places like Walmart going out of business, Kroger going out of business, because everything's going to be on Amazon on the online marketplace. So that's the thing you have to consider, guys. Like, you can't think, because people were talking about Amazon back then and be like 10 years ago, I'm pretty sure they're probably like, oh yeah, Amazon's dead, you can't really make money on here. So you always just got to live in the now when it comes to you know, doing business. You know, don't worry about the competition for it. You just gotta do what everybody else has been doing and jump on it. Like, don't worry about it, just jump on it. And if you make a mistake now, that's okay. Just learn from it and correct yourself and move on. So no, Amazon is not dead. It's you can literally say this about anything. Like, is Shopify dead? Is YouTube dead? People talk about, oh well, I can't make that much money on YouTube because all the ad revenue disappeared. Like, people are still making videos in there. People are still trying to make money on there. So people that just don't get up and leave. So you just got to consider that, guys. So yeah, guys, Amazon is not dead. So make sure you stick to it. Don't give up. It's not going anywhere. It's growing. So going on to the next thing, for the update for my product, it is in stock now. It has a Prime badge and everything. So I've already contacted many people on getting verified and unverified reviews. I'm still working on trying to get these video reviews. Like, I want to get a in-depth video review, like 2 to 3 minutes on my product, as like the first review on there for verified. I think it would be awesome if I can. I'm gonna try and contact people on Fiverr. There's not that many people that'll do it, but if you guys look hard enough, you might be able to find someone. I'm still looking. So yeah. Once I get that, hopefully within less than a week or so, I'll have all my 10 reviews up there. I've already had like 3 people buy my product. Some of us, we exchange reviews. So yeah, for like verified, unverified, and for unverified. So yeah, so now I'm just waiting for people to respond for the additional people that I did contact. I'm trying to get as many pictures as I can for my reviews, as many videos that people are willing to do for them. Because like I mentioned in a previous video, if you guys did not know, doing these video reviews, like, you can really put a 2 to 3 minute review at the bottom of your product for your listing. If you're able to do that, you are going to make a killing, especially if it's a product that's actually doing well on the marketplace and you differentiate it from everyone else. Because literally, like I said, I've seen people do this and it's absolutely amazing. Literally, this person has like the same exact product as everybody else. Maybe a little bit of a different box, but he didn't really differentiate it too much. But he put a long, well, not long, but like 2 to 3 minute review at the bottom of the listing. It was just a video. It was a simple video, and he's making a killing. He's making like $20,000 to $30,000 a month in revenue. So, and he only has like 20 something reviews. So guys, you have to consider that as well, before you, and of course, get these videos and reviews before you actually launch your product, so you can make the best numbers as possible. So yeah, guys, that's where I'm at right now. Hopefully we can launch this product and you can start killing it within a week or so. And I'll just keep you guys up to date on what I'm going to be doing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you got something out of it. Make sure you like down below. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe and tell me what you guys want to see next time. 2018 is going to be a big year for me, and hopefully by the end of it, like I said, I want to reach my goals of making $30,000 a month. And then who knows, maybe I can get a Lambo or something like that. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.